Welcome children. Today we are going to continue the same logarithmic differentiation. We are going to see type 2 questions of logarithmic differentiation. In my previous class we have studied type 1 questions on logarithmic differentiation, but we have type 2 questions also. Okay, so today we are going to see those questions. We will discuss 5.5 exercise also. Before that, very important result is there, or you can say formula that I want to derive through logarithmic differentiation. So let's see that. Now differentiate a to the power x with respect to x, where a is positive constant. Okay, you have to differentiate a power x with respect to x, where a is a positive constant. Now we will start with, let y is equal to a to the power x. Next is taking log on both sides. We can see that log y is equal to log a to the power x. Okay, log y is equal to log a to the power x. Now log y is equal to, when you apply the property, you know the property that log x to the power m is m log x. Okay, the power will come in the front of log, so you can write down it as x log a. Now differentiating with respect to x, so when you differentiate, 1 by y dy by dx is equal to, log a is constant and the differentiation of x will be 1, so you are going to get log a. Clear? Now if you want to find dy by dx, you have to take this y to other side, so you are going to get y log a. What is y? Y is your a power x, you will replace it, so a power x log a. That means d by dx of a power x is a power x log a. Very important result. एक फॉर्मूला है ये, ठीक है, इसको आप अपने फॉर्मूला जो आपने पूरा लिखा हुआ है उसमें इसको ऐड करेंगे. Constant to the power x is always constant to the power x into log of constant. Suppose you are getting 2 to the power x. If you want to differentiate d by dx of 2 to the power x, the answer will be 2 to the power x log 2. Clear? Okay, so this is a very important result. You have to add, जो आपने formula लिखा है उसमें आप इसको add up करेंगे. Now let's see some more questions of type 2 which are based on logarithmic differentiation. Now see this question. If y is equal to x to the power sin x plus log x to the power x, find dy by dx. In my previous class we have studied question of this type. Single term you have got. So what is the procedure? You will take logarithm on both sides and then you will apply the property, differentiate, you will get the answer. But here you have got two terms. Y is equal to x to the power sin x plus log x to the power x. So when you have two terms and if you directly apply log on both sides, I'll tell you what happened. Okay, log x to the power sin x plus, normally children do this mistake, they take log, दोनों तरफ ले लेते हैं जब आपके पास दो टर्म से ज्यादा हो. एक टर्म से ज्यादा तब होता है तो दोनों तरफ ले लेते हैं, क्योंकि यही सीखा है. ठीक है. नाउ if you write down it as log x to the power sin x plus log x to the power x, this is wrong. Why? Because if you have two terms, okay, log a plus b, we don't have any property, we have log a into b या फिर log m into n. We have log m into n means what we will do? We will just apply the property log m plus log n. But we don't know if we have log m plus n, आपको ऐड करके ही आंसर निकालना है, उसको आप लॉग अंदर उसको सेपरेट नहीं कर सकते, आप कोई प्रॉपर्टी नहीं लगा सकते वहां में. तो अगर आप ऐसे लिखेंगे दोनों तरफ log लेकर तो ये गलत होगा. So how to solve this type of question? Now what you will do here, you will suppose let u is equal to x to the power sin x and v is equal to log x to the power x. You will take separately. You have supposed u is equal to x to the power sin x, v is equal to log x to the power x. Then what happens? Then y will become u plus v. इसकी जगह पे u लिख लेंगे and यहाँ पे v. When you differentiate with respect to x, you are going to get dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. And this is your equation number 1. Correct? Now what you will do, from this equation you will find the value of du by dx by logarithmic differentiation, and again here also you are going to apply logarithmic differentiation, means separately you have to apply logarithmic differentiation and then finally add both the differentiation together, then you are going to get the answer for dy by dx. You are not supposed to take, when you have more than one term, log दोनों तरफ नहीं लेना, उसको अलग अलग आप solve करना. Correct? Now we will take first u is equal to x to the power sin x. You know how to solve it. In the previous class also I have discussed. Taking log on both sides, you are going to get log u is equal to log x to the power sin x. Okay, so log u is equal to x to the power m. What is the formula of x? What is the property? Log x to the power m is m log x. So what you are going to get here? Sin x log x. Clear? Log u is equal to sin x log x. Now what you will do? You will differentiate. Log u, 1 by u into differentiation of u, because we know the differentiation of log x as 1 by x. Okay, but here x is not there, u is there. So 1 by u du by dx, you have to differentiate u also, equals sin x log x, product of two functions. So you have to apply product rule here. First function sin x, I am directly writing derivative of second function as 1 by x plus second function into derivative of first cos x. Clear? So 1 by u du by dx is equal to sin x by x plus log x into cos x. So du by dx will be, you are going to take u to other side, u into sin x by x plus log x into cos x. Now what you will do, you have to replace u by x to the power sin x. When you replace it, sin x by x plus log x into cos x. So you finally got the value of du by dx as x to the power sin x into sin x by x plus log x into cos x. Now the second part is, you are going to find v is equal to log x. So when v is equal to log x to the power x, again when you take log on both sides, log v is equal to log of log x the whole power x. ठीक है? I am taking log on both sides. So log v is equal to, now log of log x the whole power x, again apply the property of log x to the power m, x will come in the front. So it is x log x. Now differentiate 1 by v dv by dx is equal to, again you have to apply product rule. Two function, x is one function, another is log of log x. So first function into, when you differentiate this log of log x, so first you have to differentiate log x. This log x you have to consider it as x, and then you have to differentiate, means log of something. So it is 1 by log x into d by dx of log x, that is 1 by, I am directly writing. I think अभी इतना हमने कर लिया है तो आप डायरेक्टली कर सकते हैं. अगर आप डायरेक्टली नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो बेटर कि आप हर टर्म में d by dx करके लिखेंगे एंड देन यू डिफरेंशिएट. सो x into 1 by log x, then log x का डिफरेंशिएशन 1 by x plus log of log x into what is the derivative of x, that is 1. I am not writing there. Clear? Now finally, if you see v dv by dx is equal to what you got, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, ये x x यहाँ पे आपका कट जाएगा. ठीक है, तो आपको फाइनली क्या मिला, v वहां जाकर मल्टीप्लाई भी हो जाएगा, v विल बी मल्टीप्लाइंग देयर, सो यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई v देयर. ओके, आप क्योंकि आप यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट dv by dx. ठीक है, तो v को आपको उस तरफ लेके जाना पड़ेगा, तो v जब वहां गया तो v विल बी मल्टीप्लाइंग विद द होल टर्म, सो इट इज 1 by log x plus log of log x. Okay, you will replace v by log x the whole power x into 1 by log x plus log of log x. Clear? Once again I am repeating, this is the question. You have got more than one term. Okay, so what you will do here, you will consider, you will suppose that let u is equal to x to the power sin x and v is equal to log x to the power x. Now what you will do, when you have taken u as this term and v as this term, this equation can be written as y is equal to u plus v. Then differentiating with respect to x, when you differentiate, you are going to get dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Consider it as equation number 1. Find dv by dx. How you are going to find? From this equation. So u is equal to x to the power sin x. Taking log on both sides, log u is equal to log x to the power sin x. Log u is equal to apply the property. What is the property? Log x to the power m. So m log x. Correct? Sin x log x. Then what you will do? You will differentiate. Differentiating means 1 by u du by dx, because we know that the differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So it is 1 by u du by dx is equal to, you have to apply product rule because it is the product of two functions. So sin x into derivative of log x 1 by x plus log x into derivative of sin x, that is cos x. Now 1 by u du by dx is equal to sin x by x plus log x cos x. You will multiply, you will take other side, so you have to write down here u and replace u by x to the power sin x. Then what you will do, you will take the second equation, v is equal to log x to the power x. Again taking log on both sides, log v is equal to log of log x to the power x. Log v is equal to, this again applying the property log x to the power m. So x will come in the front, so it is x log x. 1 by v dv by dx is equal to x into 1 by log x into 1 by x. You have to apply chain rule. First function derivative of second. Derivative of second means log of log x. So 1 by log x into log x ka derivative 1 by x. Plus the second function into derivative of x will be 1, that's why I have not written 1 here. Now finally you got dv by dx is equal to, you will take v to other side, v into 1 by log x plus log of log x. V you will replace by log x to the power x, and finally you got the answer for dv by dx as log x to the power x into 1 by log x plus log of log x. Clear? Now what you will do, you will substitute the value of du by dx and dv by dx here and finally you will get the answer. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे अभी हम देखेंगे, we are going to substitute the value of du by dx, correct, and dv by dx. So substituting in equation 1, दिस विल बी आफ्टर दैट स्टेप. ओके, सब्स्टिट्यूट इक्वेशन 1. तो आप क्या करोगे, dy by dx विल बी, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ du by dx? x to the power sin x by x plus log x into cos x. ठीक है, प्लस व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ dv by dx? log x to the power x into 1 by log x plus log of log x. This is the way you have to solve. You have to take separately apply logarithmic differentiation, find the value of du by dx, dv by dx, and finally substitute, and you are going to get the answer as like this. I hope this question is clear to you. Now you can see the next question, y is equal to log x to the power cos x plus x square plus 1 by x square minus 1, find dy by dx. Now in the previous question, you see both the term we have done with logarithmic differentiation. But at times you will get the question which is of this sort. See, this you have to apply logarithmic differentiation, but this you can directly differentiate. So let's see how to solve this question. Again, you have to take let u is equal to log x to the power cos x and v is equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. Now then y will be what? U plus v. Differentiating dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. This is your equation number 1. Now start with u is equal to log x to the power cos x. Function to the power function, you have to apply logarithmic differentiation, taking log on both sides. So log u is equal to log of log x to the power cos x. Log u is equal to log of log x power cos x. Again log x to the power m. So cos x will come in the front and you are going to get cos log of log x. Next is differentiating with respect to x. So when you differentiate log u, derivative of log u is 1 by u du by dx is equal to, apply product rule here, first function cos x into derivative of second function log of log x, 1 by log x into derivative of log x is 1 by x. I am directly writing plus log of log x into, what is the differentiation of cos x? It is minus sin x. So finally du by dx, I am taking u to other side, u into, you are going to get cos x by log x, x is also there, so u into cos x by x log x, clear, plus ये माइनस हो जाएगा आपका यहाँ पे, because here minus sin x is there, so this plus will become minus sin x into log of log x. So du by dx is equal to u into cos x by x log x minus sin x into log of log x. Now we will replace u by log x to the power cos x into cos x by x log x minus sin x log of log x. Clear? So you got finally du by dx. Now we will go for v is equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. This is very simple, no need of applying logarithm here, you can directly do it. Applying quotient rule, you are going to get the answer as dv by dx is equal to, numerator, differentiation of numerator is 2x into denominator minus differentiation of denominator is again 2x into numerator, clear, by x square minus 1 the whole square. So when you solve this, you are going to get the answer as minus 4x by x square minus 1 the whole square. क्योंकि क्या होगा 2x क्यूब और 2x क्यूब कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ठीक है, यू आर फाइनली गेटिंग -2x और यहाँ पे भी -2x, दैट इज -4x by x square minus 1 the whole square. So dv by dx also you got it. Now finally you will combine, substituting in equation 1 the value of du by dx and dv by dx in 1, you are going to get dy by dx as, what is du by dx? You got it, see here, log x to the power cos x into cos x by x log x minus sin x log of log x plus what is the value of dv by dx here? ये माइनस हो जाएगा, -4x by x square minus 1 the whole square. तो आंसर जो है हमेशा याद रखना, लॉगरिथम में आंसर थोड़े बड़े ही आएंगे बिकॉज यू आर पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ du by dx and dv by dx. ओके, सो फाइनली यू गॉट द वैल्यू ऑफ dy by dx as log x to the power cos x by x log x minus sin log x into log x minus 4x by x square minus 1 the whole square. I hope this question is clear to you. This is again another type of question. Y is equal to cos x to the power x plus sin inverse root 3x. You have to find dy by dx. Now again the same thing, this can be solved with the help of logarithmic differentiation. This you can directly solve it, correct? So what you will do, you will take separately, let u is equal to cos x to the power x, okay, and v is equal to sin inverse root 3x. Now what you will do here, you will take, when you are taking, supposing u as cos x to the power x and v as sin inverse root 3x, this equation becomes y is equal to u plus v. Then differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Now du by dx you can get it from this equation, correct? So u is equal to cos x to the power x, taking log on both sides, log u is equal to log cos x to the power x. Now again apply the property log x to the power m, x will come in the front, log cos x. So differentiating with respect to x, log u will be 1 by u du by dx is equal to, apply product rule here, first function derivative of second will be log x, so 1 by cos x, because in place of x you have cos x, 1 by cos x, apply chain rule, derivative of cos x will be minus sin x, plus log cos x, derivative of x will be 1 here, that's why I am not written here, correct? So finally du by dx is equal to, u you will take to other side, u into minus x tan x, because sin x by cos x is your tan x, so here I have written tan x plus log cos x. Now what you will do here, you will replace u by, where is that, cos x power x, you will replace, and the rest you will write down as it is. Now v I have taken sin inverse root 3x, we will go for direct differentiation. dv by dx is equal to, what is the formula of sin inverse x? Derivative of sin inverse x is what? 1 by root over 1 minus x square. So in place of x you have root 3x the whole square into d by dx of root 3x. Chain rule you will apply here. So 1 by root over 1 minus root 3x the whole square is only 3x, and here root 3 is constant, you have to only differentiate root x, because root 3x you can split it up as root 3 into root x. So root 3 I'll write down as it is, I'll differentiate root x. What is the derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. So finally you got root 3 by 2 under root, this x can be multiplied inside because both are in root functions, okay? So you are going to get x minus 3x square. So you got the value of du by dx, you got the value of dv by dx. What you will do? Substituting the value in equation number 1. So substituting in equation 1, we get dy by dx is equal to du by dx cos x to the power x into minus x tan x plus log cos x okay, plus what is dv by dx? Root 3 by root 2 into, not root 2, it's 2 into x minus 3x square, and this is the answer for dy by dx. I think this question is clear to you. Now you can see exercise 5.5. In my previous class I have discussed I think type 1 questions, and I have given you some work also. First question, second question, third question and fifth question. Hope you all have done. Now today I have explained you type 2 question, and the same type of question is there in 5.5 exercise also. So 4th one, 7th one, 6th, 8th, 9th, 10th and 11th you do it as homework. Okay, it's same type of question. You have to take separately u and v and separate logarithmic differentiation, and you have to solve. Correct? Now next set of question is 12 to 17. It is again not same type, it is equations. Okay, so how to solve equation? One question I'll explain to you, the rest you can do it by yourself. Now let's see 12th question here. X to the power y plus y to the power x is equal to 1. Again this is an equation. अब तक जो हमने क्वेश्चन किया वो सब आपका एक्सप्रेशन ही था, उसमें इक्वेशंस करके नहीं था, हम लेते थे, है ना, y इज इक्वल टू करके हम इक्वेशन को लेते थे, सपोज करते थे. यहाँ पे क्या इक्वेशन दे दिया है, तो अगेन टू टर्म्स आर देयर. लेट u इज इक्वल टू x टू द पावर y एंड v इज इक्वल टू y टू द पावर x. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, when u is x to the power y, v is y to the power x, when you substitute it here, you are going to get u plus v is equal to 1. Then differentiating with respect to x, so du by dx plus dv by dx is equal to 0. Okay, you have differentiated. This is your equation number 1. Correct? Now again you have to find du by dx from this equation, dv by dx from this equation. So u is equal to x to the power y, function to the power function. Taking log on both sides, log u is equal to log x to the power y, which is equal to y log x. Correct? Now what you will do, you will differentiate. So 1 by u du by dx is equal to, you will apply product rule here. First function derivative of log x is 1 by x, plus second function derivative of y will be dy by dx. So finally du by dx is equal to, you will take to other side and rest you will write down as it is, y by x plus log x dy by dx. Clear? Now you will replace it by x to the power y, y by x plus log x dy by dx. Same way you will find v also. V is equal to y to the power x, and I am directly writing here. Now in this part also you have to take logarithm, so I am directly writing. आप मैंने यहाँ पे नहीं किया है log कैसे लेना है और कैसे आप इसको differentiate करोगे. You all know it. So take log on both sides, apply property, differentiate, and you're going to get for the final answer as dv by dx is equal to y to the power x, x by y, dy by dx plus log y. Right? Now what you will do now? You will substitute the value of du by dx and dv by dx in equation number 1 here. In this equation you are going to substitute. Correct? So when you substitute the value of du by dx, this is your du by dx full term, and this is your dv by dx is equal to 0. Here I am simplifying. What I am doing, I am multiplying x to the power y inside. So when you multiply, this is x to the power y and this is x. The base is same, so powers can be subtracted because it is in division form. So you are going to get x to the power y minus 1 into y plus x to the power y log x dy by dx. Here also the same thing. You have to multiply inside, simplify this, and you are going to get like this. Now this is not the answer. You have to take dy by dx common. When you take dy by dx common, you are going to get x to the power y log x plus x y to the power x minus 1. ठीक है, ये एक आएगा टर्म और ये एक टर्म आएगा, और बाकी को आप इस तरफ ले जाइए. आपको क्या मिलेगा? माइनस x to the power y minus 1 into y, and here it is minus y to the power x log y. ठीक है, The other term you have taken to other side, and the final answer you are going to get it as minus, you take it common, so you are going to get y x to the power y minus 1 plus y to the power x log y, the whole divided by x to the power y log x plus x y to the power x minus 1. So this is the way you have to proceed. Again, remember that whenever you are getting an equation, just take u and v and the same procedure. The only thing is, you know, आप जैसे हम उस क्वेश्चन में हम y लेते थे, यहाँ पे y लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, ऑलरेडी इक्वेशन है, डिफरेंशिएट करिए, अप्लाई करिए लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन. बस यहाँ ध्यान रखना है, in this part you have to take common dy by dx. When you take dy by dx common, you will observe that you are going to get the answer like this. So rest of the question is a work for you. 14, 15, 16, 17 same type of question. आप इसको solve कर लेना, ठीक है. और इससे पहले भी जो बाकी rest of the questions है वो भी आपका homework है. So children, that's all for today. Hope the topic which I have covered today is clear to you. So do all the questions and take care of yourself. Thank you.